Hey guys, I'm Jon Hansen and this is Tech Talk. Today we're just going to talk a little bit about tires and tire maintenance. A lot of people are intimidated by tires, but it's actually a pretty simple thing to deal with. If you never know what your tire's PSI needs to be, it actually shows you on a plaque inside the driver's door. You can just walk over, view your tire size that the factory recommends, as well as the pressure that they recommend you to keep them at. To check that PSI, I would recommend keeping a tire gauge in your glove box at all times. This kind of ensures that you're never going to run into a time that you're putting air into a tire and don't know what you're doing with it. To actually check it, you'll just go down, find your valve stem, take the cap off, and you're going to take your tire gauge and plug it directly onto the valve stem. It's going to give you a reading. For instance, on this F-150, it wants you at 35 PSI. We're all good to go here. If you needed to adjust it, you can go to your nearest gas station or shop, and they're going to be able to provide you with some air to top that off. If you have a tire that you top off a lot, it probably has a leak, and you should get that checked out. As far as maintaining the tread on your tires, there's a lot of different ways to go about that. I would recommend getting a rotate with every oil change that you do, a balance every 15,000 miles or so, and maybe an alignment every single time you do new tires. If you have bad driving roads or conditions or you hit a lot of potholes, you might want to do alignments more than that. To check the tread on those tires, a lot of people use something called the penny trick, where you're going to take it face out, and with Abraham Lincoln's head pointing down, you're going to go down to your tire, and you're going to put him head down. If you can see the top of Abraham Lincoln's head over your tread, you probably need new tires. Besides that, it's pretty simple. Stay safe, protect your investment, and I'll see you next time.